Hey there! Thanks for tuning in. In today's video, we're going to walk you through how to disable automatic downloads in the Microsoft Edge mobile app. If you've been looking to save data or prevent unwanted files from being downloaded, this guide is exactly what you need. Let's get started. Open the Microsoft Edge mobile app on your device. Look at the bottom right corner and tap on the three-line menu icon. From the menu that appears, scroll down and tap on Settings. Inside the Settings menu, scroll again and tap on Site Settings. Now, tap on Site Permissions to view the permissions list. Look for automatic downloads in the list and tap on it. Finally, toggle the switch to turn off automatic downloads. That's it. This setting will now prevent websites from downloading multiple files automatically without your permission. Thanks for watching. I hope this tutorial helped you control downloads on Microsoft Edge. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment if you found this helpful. See you next time.